Hey everyone, happy return to Shib. Google CEO, be ready to never work again after confirming Shiba Inu burn. After Silicon Valley Bank's failure threatened the survival of the majority of tech firms, Shib news broke on Monday at South by Southwest hours. A Zen escape, a virtual landscape featuring enchanted forests of bamboo and cherry trees swaying in the wind, and an iconic monument to the Japanese hunting dog breed, Shiba Inu, named the W-Agmi Temple in honor of the cryptocurrency slogan, were all going to make it welcomed hundreds of festival attendees. It provided a break from collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse into the metaverse that Shiba Inu Bitcoin creators are creating. We'll discuss about Google CEO confirms Shiba Inu burn in this video, so buckle up and never work again. News from Shib. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Decentralized cryptocurrency bank runs like the one from last Friday are unavoidable. The enigmatic chief developer of Shiba Inu, Shoshir Kusama, only goes by his alias and an avatar that is an image of a person wearing a long cloak and hood. He turns off his video camera and uses Google Meet to inform Fast Company. He refuses to talk out and instead types into a chatbot. He observes that banks have fractional reserves and that more people are choosing to diversify as a result. When the global adoption rate hits 5%, people start asking, "What's this Shib thing?" And they discover just how amazing we are. Not that some folks aren't aware of this already. Though Web3 advocates remain a specialized portion of the Twitter population, Shib may have the most cult-like following among crypto deans. The token was invented as a joke 2.5 years ago with the intention of raising a Dogecoin killer in order to surpass the competing meme-based token, Dogecoin. Its devoted supporters, referred to as the Army, were extremely serious. Together, they used just a social media uprising and bootstrapping to propel Shiba Inu into a $44 billion market valuation, ranking it in the top 10 cryptocurrencies at one point. Over time, the universe has grown to include 10,000 Shoshir NFTs, or pixelated Shibu characters with various accessories like a pizza slice hanging from the dog's mouth or a pirate helmet, and the introduction of shibaswap, a decentralized exchange platform. After receiving praise from Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin and cryptocurrency pioneer Elon Musk, Shib partnered with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. With 3.6 million followers on crypto Twitter, who are also among the loudest on the platform, what started out as sly trolling by the meme culture has turned into a powerful force. They are quick to latch onto news stories and use hashtags like ShibArmyStrong and #HailShip, pledging to send Shib hashtag to the moon in 2022. It was the third cryptocurrency in the world to be found on Google. With the launch of its Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium, and a series of new tokens last week, it is now making its largest leap to date. Shib, the metaverse, the main hub of the network, will open with the first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond. Shib wants to use it to transcend beyond being a meme currency. The peculiar legend of Shiba Inus contributes to their appeal. Rashi, the company's creator, was likewise cloaked in mystery before abruptly disappearing from the internet this summer. Ironically, his cat-shaped Discord avatar has vanished forever. He did not, however, disappear. Before Musk's statements caused the token's age to jump, but after it had amassed 6,000 wallets, Rashi left behind a roadmap that Shoshir joined. Since then, she has continued to follow. The financing of the ship are likewise unknown. Shoshir claims that while money from Shoshir NFT sales is used elsewhere, sales of metaverse land plots support the development of the metaverse. The group is still debating whether to retain a portion of the tokens or what leash and bones tokenomics will be. They refuse to say if they receive a portion of the transaction fees from shibaswap. Shib's biggest boast, despite not having raised venture financing, is its community, a term that appears frequently in blog entries, tweets, and magazine interviews. Fast Company is informed by Marcy Gastro, Shib Metaverse lead advisor, that the Shib Army's input is being taken into consideration as they map out the metaverse. The group employed a company to build it with Unreal Engine software, but they lack a creative director. They start by creating concept art in black and white sketches, post the drafts to a blog, and monitor social media for feedback before repeatedly editing, coloring, and rendering the images in 3 dimensions. The WMI Temple, the first of 11 future zones, is an untainted fantasy environment with grazing deer and outdoor yoga. Even those metaverses that are usually viewed as competitors, like Decentraland, The Sandbox, or Yuga Labs' Other Side, are part of that community. However, Gastro maintains that the pioneers need to come together for a realm as revolutionary and emerging as the metaverse. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. Everyone's victory was what we desired. We merely needed the headset to function. It may come out as overly amiable, particularly during the hard times of the cryptocurrency winter when venture capital financing has dried up and survival seems more competitive than ever. However, Gastro is correct. Because every metaverse struggles to sell people on the idea of living in a Web 3, or even a 3D Web 2, what works for one may work for all. Though Mark Zuckerberg threw his company's reputation on the line with the metaverse division posting a $13.3 billion loss in 2022, Meta is now more focused on artificial intelligence than the metaverse. This is in contrast to Zuckerberg's fervent campaigning for Horizon Worlds. Despite being the clear leader in the field, Decentraland only has 8,000 active users every day. Furthermore, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar at the end of last year. A number of metaverse coins have experienced an 80% decline. Shib now has a $6 billion market capitalization with 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of 0.00000001. Should the token's value rise to $1 per token as originally predicted, this would imply an astounding implicit valuation of $589 trillion, a sum that would far surpass even the world's gross domestic product. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements are making headlines. Shiba Inus have become increasingly popular as a result of investors being attracted to their potential for large profits. The community of Shiba Inu's owners and traders keeps growing as the breed's demand rises. Any prudent investor will understand, of course, that achieving such a price would require significant supply decreases. However, given its current low price and great potential benefits, many cryptocurrency aficionados are drawn to the possibility of making money by investing in this unique cryptocurrency powered by millennials. The token known as Shib, which powers Shibu, the second largest meme coin, surged 15% to trade at $120. The moment of composition. Shib's price bounced back from a critical descending trendline support earlier in March, suggesting that the trend was about to shift northward before the correction to 0.00000001, which was the trendline Shib had broken out of in January. By early February, the price had risen 96% to a new yearly high of 0.000000011576. Even with the double-digit gain over the past day, investors need to ensure a few things before they can declare a new bull market. With a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is currently selling at $0.0000001120. Shiba Inu's trading volume surged by 30% to $321 million in the last day, suggesting that investors are piling in more money in anticipation of a significantly larger price move in the next several days. Nevertheless, price movement below 0.126 is currently limited by the 100-day exponential moving average. To maintain the breakout from the declining trend line, Shib needs to break above this crucial moving average. Important momentum indicators such as the moving average convergence-divergence indicate a determined bullish front despite the current obstacle. The MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart after Silicon Valley Bank's bankruptcy caused Shiba Inu to drop along with the rest of the market. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal, but this time it is staying above the mean line. Particularly during this week's rebound in anticipation of the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate hike decision on March 22, buyers are adamant about holding on to the accumulated profits. The 4-hour chart's 100-day EMA, which is at 0.111, is above the price of Shiba Inu. Recall that the daily chart's immediate resistance is the 100-day EMA. It could be confirmed that support is still in place and that the rising route offers the least amount of opposition by a daily close above 0.111. We're done for today. Remember to give the channel a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see our most recent videos.